Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to download Crave on a device. Now Crave is a platform where you can watch the series, movies or drama whichever you want on a device. Now to install it on your iPhone, you need to simply follow the steps on in the video till the very end. So let's get started. But before that, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data on a device. So after that, you may simply open App Store on a device. So as you can see, this is the home page of App Store where you will see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the upper taskbar. Now to install the app, you need to click on the search icon at the very bottom right, and then from there you need to search Crave. So click on the option of search. Now it shows various options. You may click on the option of Crave and you'll see something like this. So to install it, you may click on the option of Get, which is highlighted on blue. So while for installing for the first time, it asks you to verify yourself, so click on the option of Install, and I have set it on automatic. Double on the power button, you may simply click on it and the install may start. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.